we have discussed the stock removal strategies. We have a 5 storage locations. Okay, 3 mezzanines and one is 2 rackings. So we created on the uh, first in first out criteria as a stock removal strategy. Then we have done it for all the removal indicators. Then we assigned the STSs, everything. Okay. So we not discussed the one STSs under the several storage types. As of now, one-to-one relation we maintained at these strategies. Okay. And also we created a uh, one warehouse process type, because where you want to see outbound process. So there also we discussed that outbound, how it works. Okay. And also explain that how we can copy multiple, if at all you want to perform multiple outbound process. Okay. But we are not discuss the order creation rule anyway. We'll discuss today.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP
I
videos.
think maybe it's advanced topic, but still we cover some extent. Okay. I wanted to finish today warehouse order creation rule and other things. Okay. And also we discussed as a business process, picking process. As you know that when you pick the product, first of all, you may not keep in the hands, right? So you keep in the some pick HU. That is the fictitious HU, or like, whether the tote or box or in a pallet or anything at all. So we are going to discuss about the what do you mean of pick HU, how pick HU works in real time, how to configuration, all we can do that. Okay. And also we will discuss about the activity areas, how activity, that we have done it for all our 5 storage locations. For the put away activity, we have done for all the 5 storage. For each storage, we have done as activity and activity area, and we combined that bins into that. And then after that, bin sorting we have done. Similar concept we are going to use here also. Okay. Now activity changes. Earlier we did for the put away. Now we are going to use for the picking activity area. So the picking activity. So again we are going to do activity area activity, because see, outbound is going to work based on the activity area. That's the one is a fundamental you need to understand. Okay? Based on activity area only, outbound is going to work. So even order creation rule, there is a directly linked with the activity area. Okay. Let's jump into one by one so that you can understand what we are doing now. Hope you can hear my voice, guys. Yeah, please. Anybody?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'm all the time I'll put on mute. Okay. Just you. Okay, what happens is when I'm in the flow, I may even miss looking into your messages. Okay. So directly you raise your voice. Okay. In case if something is wrong. Okay. Because in the flow, I may not see some of the chart actually. Last time it happened. So now we'll go one by one now. Okay. Hope you can see my SAP screen. I'm going SPRO. Assume that you are doing outbound process. First step is, okay, the strategy, but whatever we did yesterday, we will go one by one. Okay. Assuming the strategy it starts from. Okay. The first strategies, because that's where is the picking strategies. Okay. So strategies, you already know that goods issue, strategies, okay, stock removal rule. So since we have a 5 storage locations, see this one, first in, first out. This is the criteria we are going. And stock removal rule, specify stock removal. See, as I said, this we have around 33 fields we have. But at the moment, because we are doing simple outbound, complex outbound, but we are not going much very complex way. So as I said, first time I'm going for the, my products should be proposed based on the goods receipt date. Assuming that I received a goods, so today, some olden days, it starts from the old date, then it proposes the stock. Like that, I wanted to see that. Okay, this is the criteria. Even real time also, we are going to use same thing only. So don't think that, okay, something with different way. So unless otherwise, some you want to pick pallet quantity, then we have some small slight changes we need. Apart from this, we need to add as a quantity. I will explain that one also. Okay. So this is the standard one we use it real time also. First in, first out. Okay. Once we know the strategy, then we need to define storage such sequence. You know that very well about this. Okay. 2710. Okay. So we have a 5 storage location number, right? We might have done for the storage types earlier already. Okay. Mesh, if you go to the storage, assign storage type. So mesh9 storage is what we already assigned. Okay. One by one we assign. Okay. And also I will explain more like how we want to dynamic control. That's a complex of complex. I will explain that. Okay. Because the real time, even some occasions, one-to-one relation they maintain. That means if you have a part in the mesh, only mesh system check only mesh, because you put up mesh9 control, put away control in stock removal indicators. If you have a products in the YDL pick phase, you assign only the pick phase stock removal strategy or controls, then it proposes only that. But real time, what happens is the same product, it may lie in all the storage locations. It may be there in the mesh9, it may be there in the YDL, it may be in the floor or any location. So what I want to say that kind of situation, though you say mesh9 first floor, you add other storage locations in a sequential manner. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. You can assign a sequential manner. No matter it is even mesh F as a stock removal control indicator, even system checks for all the locations. Okay, that is what I want to say. But we will cover that is a different class. Okay, but as of now, what I want to say that as of now, whatever the storage type we have, same name I created as a storage SCS, we assign the storage type. That is what under the STS, right? Storage definition and assign storage type to storage types sequence. Okay, one-to-one relation. Mesh9 means mesh9 storage type you assign. Like that, if it's a second floor, same thing, second floor, bin you assign that sequence. Only one-to-one relation we are maintaining as. Okay, YDL pick phase is also YDL pick. Okay, that's what we are saying. Then once after that, define stock removal control indicators. So here also we defined the same name, storage type. See, even for learning also very easy. Even when you start doing like this only, real-time projects, no issue. This is the best way. Like, we can minimize controls and all. So 5 storage, same, even in removal indicator, same as a storage type name. Okay. And again, determination. What basis we are going to determine that? I think somebody is locked. Don't worry. This time I'm going to open this one and see that. Okay. 2710. 2710. See here, so our process type is 2011. Okay. That's what we have this. But what happened is, you may question is, sir, why, sir? Because, real time, we have a even 10, 15 outbound delivery process types. Then why you assign only one? That means these many times I need to maintain. Okay. Real time, what we do is, we never consider it based on the warehouse process. Okay. We never consider the warehouse process. What we consider,
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
consider stock removal indicators. Okay. Based on the removal indicator, based on the storage type, based on the stock removal strategy. Okay, this is the only we use it. We never use anything. Okay, in a real time. Just I'm trying to expand this. So that's the removal indicator, stock removal strategies. The first in, first out, and the storage type is this is the storage type. And this one is a mesh9. First we start a mesh9 ground. See, mesh9 ground assigned warehouse process 2011. Okay, this is the complex outbound warehouse process type. Okay, and then mesh9 storage type, that's first in control. Similarly, we need to assign all. Okay, all the 5. First, and here why we have a 10. This is the okay. This is the inbound. Okay, don't worry. I think it may be a simple outbound process. That's where we added. Okay, then even fine. Okay, system will understand this. Okay, what I want to say that okay, in real time, don't use it. Okay, the based on your warehouse, based on the stock removal, based on storage, this is the more than enough price. Okay. We will also that, sir, why quantity is another place going on. We'll see that. What we can do is we can also maintain for pallet quantity also. Okay. So when while picking the pallet, we can do that. Whether you want to pallet a